You look like a professional. The cut off sleeves really help. Welcome back to Mainely Off Grid. We got the backhoe attached. Let's go dig a hole for Dad so he can poop in it. See that? Whoa! Gotta go ginger. Pops at the helm. Playing with the new toy. We're getting acclimated with the old backhoe here. Something we've never used, so give it a shot, right? New hole for the outhouse. Old TYM holding up good. Give it some cracks, Eric. Beautiful. Yeah, boy. Hey. Be right. Let's go extract some logs. Just taking my Lambo for a rip in a different area code, you know what I'm saying? Beep. Beep. Tying off. Jeez, how strong is this guy? Jeez, save some women for the rest of us, bro.
Here we have a natural pine tree that probably fell naturally. Hopefully she holds. Cowabunga, boys! Oh, I'm not good at surfing. Wow. Over here we have a wild Jacob in the wild, because he's a wild Jacob.
Yep.
The way we shall cook lobster is in a large pot. He's got a pot that will fit lobsters.
Beautiful.
And some water.
A bottle of water?
A bottle of water? You want a bottle of water?
I want to go down the corduroy road today.
It's probably so overgrown. You think we could scare him? This is the good dad, and welcome to the scare cam.
Stop!
All right, the old Polaris line up. Dang. The old purple people eaters over there looking brown. Oh, here's Jim working alone while your good dad swings the camera. Oh, I'm sorry, mainly off grid working. God, these ferns are almost as long as his arm hair. Great work.
May smell like sap.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Look at him working. This is nice.
Okay, Brett.
All right, on to the next one. Makes it look better.
Tree climbing 101.
Nope. Don't take lessons from me.
Do not take lessons from this man.
Yeah.
He's doing this at his own discretion.
Listen, you watch enough Guilty of Treason, you get.
Oh, I had a waiver for you to sign.
I don't do waivers. That was terrible.
Yeeted over those trees.
Not unless you just want to try to pull it over. The crack got bigger. Let some of the pressure off. There she goes. Yep, she was rotten. That was a good call.
Getting a little dippy. All right, mainly off-grid fans.
I just want to see what else to do.
This is the good dad, and I want you to comment below the best Patrick Swayze movie. And if you comment anything other than Roadhouse, you're wrong.
We gotta tighten up the chain on the home light.
3 links. That's what you want to see. Running out of wood here.
Lamborghini did well. Pulled that tree right out of there. Having a good day at camp.
You alright in there, honey?
All right, try to hit it just above it or below it. There you go. Yeah, boy. He split it.
Nerd.
I was stopped in the garage.